Don't listen to anyone. Nobody knows you or what you are capable of doing, and here is the reality. The hardest thing in life is figuring out who you are and what you want to do for the rest of your life. It's a big decision, and once you figure that out, you wake up every day and you work toward it. That's what you do. It is impossible for you to fail if you know who you are, what you want to do, and you wake up every day and work toward it.